Hi dear friends, first of all, thanks to the Professor Sachin Hatkar sir to give me an opportunity. So my name is Rohit Milin Latne, studies in BSc third year, Adarsh Education Society under Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University Nanded. Welcome to the online seminar session. Let's move on a rank nullity theorem. Statement: if T be a linear transformation on n dimensional vector space V of F, then prove that rank of T plus nullity of T equal to dimension of U. We know that dim is a symbol uses for dimension. Proof of the theorem: since T is mapping from U to V is a linear transformation and kernel and change of T is defined as K of T equal to x belong to U of F, but T of x equal to 0, and R of T equal to y belong to V of F, y equal to T of x, comma x belong to U of F. So let dimension K of T equal to m, and let s1 equal to x1 comma x2 dot up to xn is a basis for K of T, and K of T is subspace of U of F. Then by extension theorem, S1 can be extended to from a basis for U of F. So let S2 equal to x1 comma x2 dot up to xm comma y1 comma y2 dot up to yn is a basis for U of F. Dimension U equal to m plus n. Dimension R of T plus dimension K of T equal to dimension U. Dimension R of T is not equal to m plus n minus m. Dimension R of T equal to n. Make it theoretically. Now we have to prove that dimension R of T equal to n. So we let set S3 equal to T of y1 plus T of y2 plus up to T of yn is basis for R of T. We show S3 is linearly independent or linearly spawn. First condition: S3 is linearly independent. Let alpha 1 comma alpha 2 dot up to alpha n belong to F such that alpha 1 T of y1 plus alpha 2 T of y2 plus up to alpha n T of yn equal to 0. Then T of T alpha 1 y1 plus alpha 2 y2 plus up to alpha n yn equal to 0. Then alpha 1 y1 plus alpha 2 y2 plus up to alpha n yn belong to K of T. Let s1 equal to x1 comma x2 dot up to xm is basis for K of T. So alpha 1 y1 plus alpha 2 y2 plus up to alpha n yn is a linear combination of number of s1. Then alpha 1 y1 plus alpha 2 y2 plus up to alpha n yn equal to delta 1 x1 plus delta 2 x2 plus delta m xm. Then alpha 1 equal to 0 comma alpha 2 equal to 0 up to alpha n equal to 0 equal to delta 1 equal to delta 2 equal to up to delta m. Thus S3 is linearly independent. Then second condition, linearly spawn. Let L of S3 equal to R of T. Let y equal to T of x and y belongs to R of T, but S2 equal to x1 comma x2 dot up to xm comma y1 comma y2 dot up to yn is a basis for U of F. Y equal to T of x is a linear combination of number of s2. Y equal to T of alpha 1 x1 plus alpha 2 x2 plus up to alpha m xm plus beta 1 y1 plus beta 2 y2 plus up to beta m ym. Then y equal to alpha 1 t of x1 plus alpha 2t of x2 plus up to alpha mt of xm plus beta 1t of y1 plus beta 2t of y2 plus up to beta nt of yn. Then y equal to beta 1t of y1 plus beta 2t of y2 plus beta nt of yn. Y equal to a linear combination of element of S3, L of S3 equal to R of T, dimension R of T equal to n, hence prove rank of T plus nullity of T equal to n.